Letterboard of this.
Put that bath on the ground where you can see the fucking bar landing the same thing. I'll get fucking way off. Fuck knows why, because it was like mean back in 2010. Shit, bro.
Do you reckon they did the... Do you reckon back then they did the all this? Or...
I don't know. I think yeah, they had that occasion. I saw some videos on, you know that video? That old that YouTube had?
Yeah.
And they had some fucking, they were sliding and shit in there. Then there's like a few skippers and then all of a sudden when I pick it up, I had a fucking set up for a VH45 or some shit. I'm gonna make some fucking... I don't want to see it because I was like with that bumper, fuck it. Just walk the city right because these can move like so much.
Yeah,
I wanted to get them.
Look at the ugly thing over here. This bar's like an inch shorter than this one. Nah, other way around. Yeah, look at that. Old mate was feeling a bit off when he did this one. It's not even the truth.
looks like it will, it's kind of hard to tell.
Nah, surely that'll fit.
You have to, we can like, I don't know. Because yeah, you
Nah,
won't
I
be
reckon
able
it'll
to
fit.
from the top anyway, but hard.
I haven't even done the intro. Yo, what's going on? Yeah, we're doing the tube front today, bash bar. So, yeah, we're like trying to make it sit real flush with the bumper. So, we done. As you can see here, because it's got these and the old bash bar ran through here. So we've bent a bar that sits from the top, and goes down through there, and then we're just doing these parts now. Yeah, as you can see, should fit pretty good. Like that bend from there to there is going right bang right there. So yeah, we can still keep the indicator holes in there, and yeah, we should be good. So we're about to do the last bend, and then we'll show you. Well, hopefully it fits, but should do. It's looking pretty good. So yo, we got the bash bar in there. Got a few bends in there. Goes up, comes back down, goes around, comes through there. We've got her jimmied up on some wood here. Looking pretty good, looking pretty fancy. I'll give you a look. She's pretty straight, and yeah, we fucking measured from the chassis rail to here, and this chassis rail to here. Got that perfect, and then now we went, well, just before we went from here back to there and here to there. Got those measurements right, so we should be having a perfect front end if the calculations are right. So you shall find out in about a few more hours. Boom, but you never seen a bash bar like that before, homies. Like what the bend's for is comes from here, bends down through there, comes around, as you can see right there. Looking pretty nifty. Looks like a 180 with the big holes in there, but looking pretty good. We're just onto the back one at the moment. Give you a bit of a look. So we took this one off here, and we're getting rid of that, and then we're gonna have one bar coming along here, just so we can have this sitting up properly. Yeah, we're looking pretty good. Bye. What do you reckon that front though? She's looking pretty nuts. I'm pretty hyped on it. So yeah, we're just gonna do the rear bash bar, and then I think next time we're gonna do all the lights and all the brackets for that. Yeah, one of the lights is snapped off, as you can see. I bloody snapped it. Well, it wasn't me, the guy snapped it. This one has a full tab on it. as you can see. So we're gonna work with that one and work from that and work our way from the left side to the right side when we do that. Going pretty good. Finally get a, well, have a front end that is straight once again. So just giving the back one shot now. Probably can't hear me. Just mid welding, we're just having a back session.
No, it's not the one. It's really hard.
My back is broken.
We're off. Holes are drilled, we're done. We had a couple of holes in there just because we were going to run it off these two holes here, but
Yeah, I was going to steal that one, but we were slightly short.
yeah, no, we just cut it a little too short, so we'll get her in there, chuck that in there, boom. Reamed good, job done.
Couple, yeah.
We're over.
Nuts. This is so fucking hard to
I'm freaking out about like it not being square.
On that side doesn't like, it wants to like keep going.
Oh, we can fucking pull the car out.
Yeah, huh, we can just fucking ratchet strap the
Are you
car.
happy with that? That's the line on now.
Yeah, right now, that's fucking perfect. Center,
Yeah.
right there, and it comes along. Fuck that side. Cocker, because that one's a bit firm.
It's like roughly pretty close to the center lines of those. See that shit through the hole. Then you know you're lined up.
Oh, we're gonna see the shit through the hole. Find out right now.
It's gonna be fucking, where's our line? Like, fucking boom.
Yeah, she's in there. Fucking loving it. Chuck this back up here. Get it good together.
Yeah, boys, this is some like proper fucking drift car fabricated.
Fuck yeah, this is it, bro.
Not even degenerate behaviour.
It's like not in the account.
Yeah, they probably don't understand it, bro.
Yeah, they're like, what the fuck
Fucking algorithms are probably
Where are we
like...
fucking, why are we not getting money though?
Because you've got length too. Just so it doesn't completely squish. Yeah, you've got like a whole 10 centimeters on it.
Give me the Sharpie.
Fucking looking pretty fancy over here, boys. We're all done. Check that bead on it. He's a professional.